Hang on back. Hang on. Ice water. Listen, for you people that cook a lot, this is going to seem real simple to you. But for people that don't cook a lot, don't be intimidated by this because you can do it. It's not hard. Okay. Homemade dumplings pastry you can use this as a pie crust too. Okay. Oh, let me pin the website. I haven't seen so. Listen, anytime I've ever learned anything from Miss Gladys, it works. And it's one of those staple things that you use over and over, you know. Let me give my hands a quick wash. Since I've been handling my hair. And I'm using my squirrel towel that somebody gave me. Love it. Okay. Very simple. No measurements here, y'all, okay? Plain all-purpose flour. I'm going to put about 2 cups. And I'm eyeballing it, okay? But I'm going to keep my flour out because I'm going to need it in a minute. Okay, into the flour, I'm going to add just a little bit of Crisco, Butter Flavored Crisco. And I'm going to add that with a fork because I'm going to use my fork to incorporate this. Let me get a fork. Over and over. Okay, look. You can use real butter if you want to. I just don't. Crisco, gives it a little bit more flakiness than butter does. And the Butter Flavored Crisco still has the flavor of butter, which I like. You just kind of have to work on this and experiment and really see it for yourself. Oh, y'all can't see that, can you? Hold on. Okay, now you can. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to slowly pour in some ice water. Very slowly. And then I'm going to incorporate that. Now, I'm going to need a dash of salt. Let me go ahead and get that because that's one thing I will forget sometimes. And then you just want to work this. Can't see your bowl. Okay. Better? Let me swipe. Yeah, that's better. Anyway, fork it in there. What's around your neck? Oh, that's my earpiece. That if I'm listening to music while I'm vacuuming I use, or if I'm talking on the phone and don't want any other outside noises interfering. Okay, now, here's the fun part. Get your hands in there. Once you get that incorporated just a tiny bit, you want to knead it with your hands. Then you're going to feel the consistency of it. Oh, thank you, Nicole. I got to go back and label my video. You want to get all of the flour incorporated. It needs just a tiny bit more water. I use these for pie crust or dumplings, pastry. I've used it before to make fried apple pies. Okay. Now you got to get it really good and mixed up though to feel the consistency of it. And it should be tacky, but it shouldn't stick to you. Okay. Now, into this, I'm going to add just a shake of the all-purpose flour again, just so I can handle it a little bit better. I'm going to turn that around in the bowl and get it coated good. And then I'm simply going to take this, and I'm going to put it, you can put it in a bag, you can wrap it up in plastic wrap, stick it in your fridge for later, okay? Because you want it to get firm in the fridge. Okay? My mama gave me this thing. I love it. Ah! Ah! Oh, Lord have mercy. I about broke it. Anyway, that's that. So, dumplings, pastry, whatever you want to call it. That's how I do mine. This will go in the fridge until dinner time. And then I'll show you how I roll it out and everything. All right, Miss Gladys Dumplings. Y'all have a good day. See ya.